Mic check, 1, 2, 3. Hello, hi vibers. So I have this on because I noticed the sound is a lot better and clearer when I use this. This is what I used for my latest tarot reading that I just uploaded today. On today's Halloween, you guys. Today is Halloween, so happy Halloween. But you guys are gonna probably watch this afterwards. But I have some Mexican food. I have some carne asada fries, and what I'm super excited for is this burrito because I've never had beef tongue before, and I've always wanted to try it. So here we go. I've heard it's like super tender and super good, and it always looked good to me. I know a lot of people are like, it looks gross, and the thought of it is gross, but I mean, it doesn't look appetizing, but when you're cooking it and stuff, but it looks good when I've been seeing people have it in their food. So it's in here, and this is my first time getting food from this place, and I already started eating my carne asada fries, and I can tell you it's already good. Do you guys like my glasses? Let me take a bite so that I can be eating while I'm unwrapping this. And oh my gosh, I'm not eating with a towel, so I'm hoping I don't spill or drop anything on me. Oh, this is kind of like a good view, because you can see my thing and the lighting is okay. Oh, and I got my roommate tacos. It's beef tongue tacos and carnitas tacos. But I got him tacos because he got me Starbucks this morning, so I wanted to return the favor. And of course, we're roomies, so you know. But he was full already. He ate a lot, so the CNA ate it. So we're having a little Halloween party in room 257B, or 257. I'm 257B, he's 257B. So this is the beef tongue burrito. Here we go, y'all. Really spicy. I don't know what's all in here because they didn't have it listed on DoorDash, but what I can see, beef tongue, green onion, rice. What else? I think I need to eat more to get to it. That's good, y'all. On cheese. I thought that was sour cream, but it's cheese. Have you guys had beef tongue before? Let me know. This is my first time, and I like it. Oh my gosh, this is so good, y'all. Are there beans? Oh yeah, beans. Frijoles. Yeah, it just tastes like beef, but like super tender beef. I like it. These glasses, I got them for free. From Tessini, Tesini. So find them on Instagram, Facebook, and I think that's the only socials they have. But yeah, I got them for free, and I love them. I wear these like almost all day, and I like wearing these at night when I'm sleeping. The LVN was giving me my medicine last night, and I had these on. Dude, my phone keeps moving. Hi. And she was asking if I could see through the glasses.
Thank you.
But yeah, you can. So what you... Oh, I wonder if I can be like... Let me try this to see. Can you guys see through it? If I put it like right here? So that's actually more purple than it looks when you have it on in person. In person it's kind of more like, it's purple, but it's more just like, kind of like sunglasses where it's like dim. So let me know in the comments what you guys ended up doing for Halloween. No. Already dropping food on myself. Thank goodness I have wipes. Oh, and after this I'm watching... I got my the login info from my sister for her Disney Plus account. So after this, I'm gonna pop some gummies, and then I'm gonna watch Hocus Pocus 2. I saved it on purpose to watch it, and I'm watching it for the first time, Hocus Pocus 2. Also, let me know in the comments, what did you guys think of Hocus Pocus 2? And can you guys guess which one of the three witches, which one of the Sanderson? I'm getting in the habit of calling it Anderson sisters because my cousin slipped and she said call them the Anderson sisters. But guess which one of the Sanderson sisters is my personal favorite? I feel like you guys are gonna guess. I feel like I know which one you guys are gonna say is my favorite, but let me know which one you guys think is my favorite. Because I feel like the witch that you guys think I'm gonna like is different from the witch that I actually like. I mean, I like all of them, but I have my favorite out of the three. Please don't fall. Back to my burrito. And I planned my Halloween. I planned my Halloween. Like, this is how I wanted it. I wanted to order some good food, and then have some gummies, and enjoy a Halloween movie. But I was stuck on like which or what food I wanted to get. And so I said, oh, and this is I wanted to try a different restaurant. Because me, once I don't really like trying new things that often, but once I try something that I like to eat it like constantly. Like when I had um what was it called? Cafe Rio. Oh my gosh, I love their salad. It's so good. It's like a taco salad. And you can choose your meat and what you want in there. It's so good. I always get barbacoa, wheat tortilla with no cheese, no melted cheese, extra pico de gallo, and I think that's it. But yeah, that's my favorite salad from it. So like that, like I tried Cafe Rio, I tried that salad, it was bomb. And so I just kept, whenever I would order, that's what I would get. But I wanted to try something new tonight. And this place is good. I hope everyone is having a happy and safe Halloween out there. Oh my gosh, and while I was waiting for my food, I was scrolling on Facebook and I came across such a sad story. So I follow my local news on Facebook. And the story that popped up today was murder victim identified as a high school senior in my local town, and they got shot. And I was like, oh my gosh. And I think I read a little bit, but I think it was like a drive-by shooting. And that's so sad because it's a senior. Like, you know, they're almost starting off their life as an adult, and their life ends, and that's so tragic and so sad. So rest in peace to that senior. Condolences to that family. I'm drinking Diet Coke. I asked my sister what she's doing. Oh my gosh, I only have 28 minutes of memory left to record. I'll be done before then. But that's because I just finished filming the tarot reading, and it's still on my phone, so that took up a lot. Whenever I do tarot readings, it takes up a lot because those are long videos. So yeah, I'll clear it out and edit this and do all that. But yeah, I asked my sister what she's doing, what they're doing for Halloween, and they said they're just staying at home. And I was like, oh, that's a good idea because it's not safe. It's really not, well, it's not safe, period, to be going out, but like especially for the kids. And it's just gonna be her with the kids. So, and she said they went to they had trunk or treat at my church, and so she said they got enough candy from there. So, oh my gosh, and my nieces and nephews, they're getting so much older now, so the younger ones, it's getting less and less. So there was only 3 of them. There's only 3 of them now. That's like in elementary. So that was like, yeah. So only 3 of them were like dressed up this year for Halloween. I don't know about the older ones if they dressed up. So I have one more niece and 2 more nephews that are still in like elementary age. My nephews were ninjas. And then my niece, I think she was a character from Coco. But yeah, those pictures were so cute. I'll add it in here. I have my TV on now. I turned it on a couple days ago. I asked him to, no, it's actually just yesterday, I think. I asked him to turn it on and turn it on to the channel that he likes watching. Because I like watching, he watches the I don't know what it's the Latino channel with the logo is a T. If you guys watch that channel, you guys know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so he likes watching that channel, and I like watching it now. I like watching it now because, and I have it on right now, but I have it on mute so like you guys can hear me better. Cause his TV is good enough where I can hear it. But I'm so used to like when I'm just laying here like listening to something, I catch myself peeking over to his TV, and I watch his stuff. And like I told you in another mukbang that I like watching. Or I like listening to the, like I know the shows now. I mean, I don't know what it's called, but I know the theme songs. And I like the songs. And I like watching the shows, like even though I don't understand anything, but I just like watching it because I'm so used to seeing it, like just staring at it and hearing it, that I like watching it. And I was telling my cousin, like by the time I get out here, I think I'm gonna want to start watching the Latino. I'm just gonna call it the Latino channel. I'm sorry, I don't know what it's really called. But I like watching it because I don't know, it's comforting. So it's like, yeah, I like having it in the background. I'm gonna save the other half of my burrito, or the rest of my burrito, for either later tonight or tomorrow. Because I want to finish. I don't want to eat too much of the burrito because I want to finish the carne asada fries. Because yeah, carne asada fries is not good to me. It's not good. Like eating it leftover, warming it up, because I want to eat it while the fries are still fresh. But yeah, I think I'm good. I'm gonna save the rest of this to eat it when I watch my Hocus Pocus 2. But thank you guys for joining me for another mukbang. Hope you guys had a happy and safe Halloween. I love you guys so much. And until next time, I want to wish you nothing but good vibes, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!